members, now on 267. Now on 267, page. Or now on 267, page. 34 notices have been received under Rule 267. It is observed that several notices under Rule 267 are being given on daily basis. 34 प्लीज जयराम जी बोल लीजिए मैं पढ़ ही रहा हूँ, मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ 267 के बारे में। आप प्लीज आप मुझे समय दें और धैर्य रखें। 34 notices have been received today under Rule 267. It is observed that several notices under Rule 267 are being given on daily basis. Most of these notices do not mention, most of this प्लीज आप चेयर को बोलने नहीं दे रहे हैं, मैं बता रहा हूं। Most of these notices do not mention the rule they seek to suspend, a mandatory requirement under Rule 267. Other notices do not contain any motion drawn in proper format. The detailed directives imparted by the chair on 8th December and 19th December 2022 are not complied with. Some members have also consistently raising varied issues, including those that are sub judice or pertain to matters within the jurisdiction of state governments that cannot be raised in the House. Some of other members are giving notices on different subjects daily, which are in the nature of issues to be raised during 0 hour or a special mention. It's prima facie appears that members are themselves not sure on which subject they want to seek suspension of listed business on the day. I may also add that the issues on which members are repeatedly seeking suspension of listed business can be raised by other parliamentary devices like short duration discussions, calling attention notices, etc. Despite there being clear rules and elaborate rulings of the directions, regrettably some members are using Rule 267 in an apparently casual manner. When the notices are disallowed, the House is disrupted. Our previous chairmen were of Our previous chairmen were of the considered opinion. Our previous chairmen, let me repeat, our previous chairmen were of the considered opinion that Rule 267 was applicable for raising rarest of rare cases and never on the matters of routine nature. Members would appreciate that between the year 2000 to 2004, no 267 notices were allowed. Between the year 2004 to 9, only 4 substantive discussions under the Rule 267 took place. Further, out of 491 notices received under Rule 267, between the year June 2009 to May 2014, only 1 substantive discussion took place by suspending on the business of the House. From the year 2014 till the last session of Rajya Sabha, out of 3,152 notices received under Rule 267, only 6 notices were admitted for substantive discussion. Members may recall that a previous Speaker Lok Sabha, Sri Balram Jakhar ji, members may recall that previous Speaker Lok Sabha Sri Balram Jakhar ji held that he cannot make any comment upon the actions and decisions of the Election Commission. He inter alia stated the following, I quote, "You know that I cannot comment upon the actions and decisions of the Election Commission, which is an autonomous body. Never before have I done it, nor I will do it now, until and unless you change the Constitution and bring the Election Commission under your purview. We cannot comment on its actions. I am only concerned with this, that the Election Commission is an autonomous body and its decision cannot be discussed here." Lok Sabha debate 14/12/1988. I'll give. On the question of suspension of question hour, the previous chairman held, if an individual member suggests the suspension of question hour for which the chair must give permission, then the chair has to be satisfied that there is a broad consensus about such suspension Members may recall that on 18 December 2014, during the question hour, when members raised the issue of notice of the suspension on the question hour, under Rule 267, the chairman stated, I quote, for Rule 267, I quote the then chairman of 18/12/2014 ruling. For the Rule 267, I will tell you precisely that you have to do. If you give a notice under the Rule 267, the notice has to be accepted by the chair. That is point one. Let me list out the rest to you. Then a motion has to be moved. Then a motion has to be carried. Only then can you discuss something which is not in the listed business. The position of the chair is clear that if an individual member suggests the suspension of rule for which the chair has to give permission, then the chair has to be certified that there is a broad consensus about such suspension. मैं रूल स्थिति बता रहा हूँ, प्लीज सुन लीजिए. आप जिसके लिए एजिटेटेड हैं, मैं रूल स्थिति बता रहा हूँ. Regarding raising of sub judice matter, restriction has been self-imposed by the Parliament in consideration of the fact that deliberation in a house on a matter which is before the court might influence the later, and thus the sub judice rule has found a place in the rules of the both houses of Parliament. As per the provisions in the rule of procedure and conduct of business in the Council of States, Rajya Sabha, any matter which is under adjudication by a court of law having jurisdiction in any part of India cannot be raised in the House in any form, such as questions, motions, resolutions, and special mention, or referred to in the House during any discussion or debate. Rule 47(2), 157(5), 169(8), 180(b)(6), and 238(1) respectively. Members may recall that they cannot refer to any matter of fact in which a judicial decision is pending. The observation of the chair is one such matter is under. On 15th March 1972, while Sri Niren Ghosh was going into the details of case which was sub judice, Sri Pranav Kumar Mukherjee objected and said that a case which was sub judice could not be brought into before the House in any manner or form. The deputy chairman upheld his view and observed, if it is sub judice, you should not refer to it. Rajya Sabha debate 15/3/1972. It is well established that any discussion on matters pending adjudication before courts of law should be avoided on the floor of the House, so that courts function uninfluenced by anything said outside an ambit of trial in the chair in one such matter is under. On 25 November 1986, Sri K. Mohanan wanted to raise a question with regard to the decision of the court in Kerala. He said that Mr. Justice Sukumaran of the Kerala High Court, in his verdict, has stated in the Electricity Minister Sri R. Balakrishnan Pillai had violated his oath of office and his reappointment as Minister of State was unconstitutional. The chairman observed, I quote, from Rajya Sabha debate 25/11/1986. Now I must stop. The point is this, as I have understood the matter, the Kerala High Court has said that this has not been referred to the Division High Court. The Kerala High Court has said that this has been referred to the Division Bench of Kerala High Court to advise them whether it has powers under Article 226 of the Constitution on the matter raised. Therefore, it is again fully sub judice and no decision has been taken. I am afraid I cannot allow this discussion. Therefore, I say I rule this out. Rajya Sabha debate 25/11/86. Members therefore are requested not to use Rule 267, more like a device being in the nature of adjournment motion rather than a motion for suspension of rules. Like Lok Sabha, there is no provision for adjournment motion in Rajya Sabha. Since none of the notices received under Rule 267 are in adherence to the requirement of the rules as initiated in past, I am not admitting these notices. माननीय संसदीय मंत्री, please.
लीडर ऑफ द हाउस, क्योंकि रेस्पॉन्ड करना होगा, एलओपी को आपने बोलने का मौका दिया. मैं सर से एक चीज क्लैरिफिकेशन के लिए पूछना चाहता हूँ. लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन बहुत वरिष्ठ है, मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी ने जो सवाल उठाया, स्पेसिफिक उन्होंने कहा कि सदन में मिलिट्री आदमी लाएगा, सीआईएसएफ के जवानों को लाया, दिल्ली पुलिस को लाया. तो मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूं, क्योंकि ये रिकॉर्ड पर क्लियर है कि सदन में सिर्फ मार्शल ही आ सकता है और उस दिन भी मार्शल ही थे, तो लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन ने जब मिसलीड किया और यहाँ गलत तथ्य यहाँ सामने में रखा, आपको भी पत्र लिखा है, तो इतना सीनियर लीडर और सदन में लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन जब गलत पत्र लिखते हैं चेयर को और गलत तथ्य रखता है, तो उसके लिए क्या कार्रवाई होना चाहिए? नहीं तो हर एक सदस्य गलत बात लिखेंगे। ये रिकॉर्ड में भी गया है। कल से मैं देख रहा हूं कि न्यूज़पेपर में भी, टेलीविजन में भी ये बात को दोहराया गया है। सिर्फ मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी सिर्फ नहीं, ऑपोजिशन के कई लोगों ने कहा कि यह मिलिट्री पुलिस सीआईएसएफ लेके आया है, जबकि ये गलत है। जो भी इस सदन में आते हैं वो मार्शल ही होते हैं। फिर इस तरह से गलत बात करके इस सदन के गरीबों को गिराने का काम बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए। मेरा तरफ से आपके माध्यम से यूरोपीय पूरा ऑपोजिशन पार्टी को मैं अनुरोध करना चाहता हूँ।
माननीय लीडर ऑफ द हाउस कुछ कहना चाहते हैं? प्लीज गो बैक योर सीट, प्लीज लेट हिम, आई गिव जी, प्लीज आई गिव
सर कुछ नहीं, वो ठहरे हुए थे, वो तो बोल रहे थे, तो सेम लॉ उनको भी अप्लीकेबल होता है।
जी
सर, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूं, क्योंकि आप ही मेरे नेता है, वो नहीं है। नहीं, देखिए, जब ये भी थे, जब अपने मैंने एक जिक्र किया कि हमारे सीआईएस तो था, लेकिन पहले के जो अपोजिशन लीडर थे उन्होंने कहा था कि डिसरप्शन इज आल्सो पार्ट ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी। ये आपको मालूम। और दूसरी चीज साहब, सीआईएसएफ जो आपने लगाया है,
फिर संशोधन कराओ, सीआईएसएफ नहीं है, माननीय लीडर
हो गया,
यहाँ सिर्फ मार्शल ही आ सकते हैं।
नहीं,
मार्शल ही आ सकते हैं।
ये देखिए, मैं पूछता हूं आपको, क्या ये सदन आप चला रहे हैं, क्या होम मिनिस्टर अमित शाह चला रहे हैं?
ये गलत आरोप है,
कौन चला रहे हैं?
गलत आरोप है,
क्योंकि उनका
माननीय लीडर ऑफ द हाउस, आपने बोला माननीय लीडर ऑफ द हाउस, आपकी बात रिकॉर्ड कर लीजिए, आपकी बात बैठ जाइए। आप माननीय लीडर ऑफ द हाउस प्लीज, आप बोले। प्लीज माननीय लीडर ऑफ द हाउस आते हैं। उपसभापति जी, आज का दिन बहुत ही ऐतिहासिक दिन है, बहुत ही ऐतिहासिक दिन है, हिस्टोरिकल डे है। प्लीज, क्योंकि पार्लियामेंट में, राज्यसभा में जो आपने 2 ऑब्जर्वेशंस दिए हैं, वो 2 ऑब्जर्वेशंस सदा के लिए अंकित रहेंगे, रिकॉर्ड में रहेंगे और वो रेफरेंस पॉइंट बनेंगे आगे राज्यसभा को चलाने के लिए। आपने आज अपनी रूलिंग के माध्यम से दूध का दूध और पानी का पानी किया। आपने क्लियरली ये बताया कि आपने, अरे सच्चाई सुनने की ताकत नहीं होती तो यही शब्द निकलते हैं। मैं ये कह रहा था कि आपने बखूबी इस बात को स्पष्ट किया कि प्रोसीडिंग्स को डिस्टर्ब करना यह अनडेमोक्रेटिक है और ये रूल्स के खिलाफ है। आपने 31 जुलाई को, 28 जुलाई को, 25 जुलाई को और 1 अगस्त को उन घटनाओं को उद्धृत किया जो प्रजातांत्रिक तरीके से हाउस को चलने में बाधक है और
आपने ये बताया कि जब कोई स्पीकर बोल रहा है, अब मैं यहां से बोल रहा हूं, अगर मेरे बगल में आकर के कोई खड़ा होकर के नारा लगाएगा, दिस इज नॉट डेमोक्रेसी, दिस इज नॉट हाउस वर्किंग, ये काम करने का तरीका नहीं होता। मैंने कई बार कहा, ओ मैडम जी सुन लीजिए, मैंने इन लोगों को कई बार कहा, 40 साल से ज्यादा ऑपोजिशन में रहा हूं, कुछ मेरे से ट्यूशन ले लो, मैं बता दूंगा ऑपोजिशन कैसे करना आता है। अभी नए हो, अभी तो 10 ही साल हुए हैं, अभी 30-40 साल रहना है, मेरे से ट्यूशन ले लो, मैं बताऊंगा आपको ऑपोजिशन कैसे होती है। दूसरी बात, जो माननीय लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन ने कहा कि डिस्टर्बेंस करना, ये अरुण जेटली जी ने कहा था, मैं फिर कहता हूं, डिस्टर्बेंस के बहुत से तरीके हैं, इसलिए हमसे ट्यूशन ले लो। लेकिन इन डेमोक्रेसी अगर आप लाठी भांगे और आपकी लाठी मेरे नाक को लगे, तो योर डेमोक्रेसी एंड्स वेयर माय नोज स्टार्ट्स, दैट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड। और इसलिए मैं बोलना चाहता हूं कि इनकी डेमोक्रेसी वहां समाप्त हो जाती है जब वो अपने स्थान को छोड़ करके किसी व्यक्ति को, जिसको बोलने का अधिकार है रूलिंग पार्टी में, उसको डिस्टर्ब करते हैं, उसके बगल में नारे लगाते हैं। ये अनडेमोक्रेटिक भी है, दिस इज नॉट डिस्टर्बेंस, दिस इज एनार्किज्म, और ये एनार्किज्म करने की कोशिश करते हैं, इसको हमको समझना चाहिए। तीसरी बात आपने डिस्टर्बेंस के विषय के बारे में कहा, और जो आपने बाद में ऑब्जर्वेशंस दी हैं, वो ऑब्जर्वेशंस बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है, जिसको हमको सदा के लिए ध्यान में रखना चाहिए। एनी पर्सन हु इज इन द हाउस टू मेंटेन डिसिप्लिन एंड डेकोरम बाय द ऑर्डर ऑफ द चेयर इज ए मार्शल, he is not any member of any paramilitary forces, he is considered to be a marshal and that is why he is here. तकलीफ इनको इस बात की है कि इन्होंने डिसिप्लिन को जब लागू आपने किया, तो इनको जो एनार्किज्म करने का छूट थी, उसको आपने रोक लगाया, उसके लिए मैं आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं। और साथ ही जो ऑब्जर्वेशंस आपने दी हैं, वो ऑब्जर्वेशंस बहुत सही हैं, हिस्टोरिकल हैं, रेफरेंस के जब काम आएंगी और आगे वो रेफरेंस पॉइंट बनेंगे, ऐसा मेरा मानना है।
माननीय सदस्यगण, कास्टिंग एस्पिरेशन ऑन चेयर विल नॉट गो ऑन रिकॉर्ड एज पर रूल्स। तिरुचि जी, आप अपने go back to your seat. Tiruchi ji will speak. No problem.
Sir, first of all, sir, I humbly request you to give a patient hearing. For more than half an hour, you have made some observations which have gone on record unto the people. This is the Council of States. Different political parties are here. We should also be heard, sir. When an issue has come up, at least a point of order must be accorded. Leader of opposition spoke. The leader of house also spoke. He said that he has got democratic right. We too have democratic rights. Sir, so we must be also...
That I have given to you.
Sir, whatever observations you have made, we have got our reservation. That's entirely different. What the leader of opposition gave a letter was that the other day you call the leader of the house very rightly said they are considered to be marshals. They are not the dedicated security forces of the parliament who were here earlier. They have all been out. These are some other forces which are now named as marshals. That is different, sir. Sir, let me remind you. You said the rules of this house was laid down by the great Vittal Bhoy Patel.
No, not rules, sir. I told this marshal and security service was started by.
Sir, I would like to recall, sir. Vittal Bhoy Patel was the chairperson of this house once. In the Central Legislative Assembly,
Yes.
the day
1930.
after Bhagat Singh threw the bomb in the Central Legislative Assembly, the next day, the security forces trooped in. He said, who allowed you to govern? He told the home minister, then the called home member, either you send them or you go out. That is what he has write down Vital Bhai Patel. Sir, let me tell, sir.
Yes.
As leader of the House very rightly said, Mr. Arun Jaitley, who has been the leader of the House, the leader of the opposition, part and parcel of democracy is disruption of the parliament. When I said, give me a patent here. 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Why the opposition parties are agitating, sir? We are asking for a discussion. Maybe on any issue. The ruling party should come to the chamber in a BAC or something. They should also say we are prepared for a discussion. The parliament is meant for debate.
All right, viewers, you saw there was ruckus and hangama in the Rajya Sabha, the upper house of the parliament, and this is over the presence of CISF, security personnel, specifically in the well of the house. Now, opposition has been raising questions. Opposition has been up in arms on this particular issue against the government. Let me straight away go across to my colleague Tejshri joining us on the broadcast. More on this, Tejshri. High drama was witnessed in the Rajya Sabha and it is still happening. We are seeing, both sides arguing on the presence of CISF, something that opposition has also been raising relentlessly. Well, absolutely. Remember that Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge also wrote a letter about which mentioned the presence of CISF in the well. Not just that, but he also in fact multiple times have said that the CISF is present in the house, which is not appropriate, and they are treating as if they are terrorists. These kind of words were made. These kind of statements were made by Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge. And today also, when the parliament started, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha both, first we saw that there was a protest held against the special intensive revision that's being carried out in the state of Bihar by the opposition parties. We have been seeing that this protest is being held on a daily basis outside the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha house. And then today, after this protest, when the house began at 11 p.m., there were continuous sloganeering, a strong statement coming in from BJP President JP Nadda as well, where he stated that, that there has been continuous sloganeering and ruckus in the House. He has been speaking. There are a number of bills that are yet to be passed. There are a number of things that are to be discussed. If you have to ask questions, if you have some things to, if you have to hold government accountable. Just interrupting you there, the latest is that even the Rajya Sabha has been adjourned now till 2 o'clock. And for now, Tejshri, thank you for your inputs on this story. We'll keep coming back to you. Heading into a very, very short break. We'll be back with more. Stay with us.